Books to read on leading by serving. Leading by serving, formerly known as servant leadership, is one of the more recent theories found in the leadership literature. The term servant leader was coined by Robert Greenleaf, the person who is credited with the seminal work on the topic in 1970. Leading by serving occurs when leaders, who typically begin in positions of servitude, are able to rise to positions of leadership because of their dedication to the people they serve. What marks them as leaders who serve is that they never lose sight of the followers they serve. There are a number of authors who have written books on the topic. Robert Greenleaf, founder of the modern servant leadership movement and the Greenleaf Center of Servant Leadership. After a successful career in business management, he wrote the essay The Servant as Leader and established the servant leadership concept, which persists to this day. He eventually went on to publish the book Servant Leadership. Greenleaf believed that even though servant leadership was based in the Judeo Christian belief system, the concept had applicability for all faiths and non religious institutions. Larry Spears' insight on leadership. Larry Spears worked with Greenleaf and became the head of the Robert K. Greenleaf Center for Servant Leaders after Greenleaf's death. Spears discovered numerous unpublished works by Greenleaf, which he published under his and Greenleaf's name. Spears also published books as a solo author, the first of which was Insights on Leadership. Spears eventually left the Greenleaf Center in 2007 and founded the Spears Center for Servant Leadership in 2008. Authors Ken Blanchard and Phil Hodges co-authored Lead Like Jesus, Lessons from the Greatest Leadership Role Model of All Time. James Hunter wrote The Servant, a simple story about the true essence of leadership. Hunter's book explored the concept of leadership as a service from the narrative approach. Stephen Covey, whose well-known work, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, includes elements of leading by serving. Many more books have been written on the subject since its introduction by Greenleaf over 50 years ago. Its staying power and the numerous works on the topic speak to the fact that it is a solid contender in the arena of leadership theories. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.